Hello friends, let's crochet together a baby unicorn, like this. We need YarnArt Jeans, white, and this one is with pink details, and I will make with blue. And we need 2 colors, or even more, as you like, of YarnArt Begonia. And the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the body. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the thread, there is no hole, and we make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round. Then we make a chain, and in the second round we make 6 increases. 1, 2, the first increase, 2 single crochets in 1 loop. Then 3, 4 in the second loop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the third round we also make 6 increases. We make an increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second loop, and repeat. Increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, increase, a single one, increase, a single crochet, increase, and the last one in this round. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. Then we make 6 rounds without changes for 18 single crochets in each round. 17, 18. And totally we've made 9 rounds. And in the 10th round we make a decrease and 1 single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single one, and repeat till the end of the round. And we'll have 12 loops in the end. A slip stitch and a chain. The base of the body is ready. And now let's make the hands. We take blue thread, make a magic loop and 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one we make just the first part and change the color for the white. And make a slip stitch with the white thread and a chain. And then in the second round we make 6 single crochets and we fix these threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. We cut the blue thread and in the next round we make a single crochet, a decrease, and 1, 2, 3 single crochets, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. And we make 2 rounds without changes for 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 5. A slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, leave the long end to sew the hand to the body and cut the thread. We make the second hand in the same way. And now let's make the legs. We make a magic loop and 5 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start to make the 5th single crochet and change the thread. And a slip stitch in the first loop with the white thread and a chain. And now in the next round we make 5 increases and fix these threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A slip stitch and a chain. Cut the blue thread and in the next round we make 2 single crochets, then 3 decreases, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochets, 1, 2, a slip stitch, a chain, and in the last round we make 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end to sew the leg to the body. Fill with the fiber fill and make the second leg in the same way. And now let's sew legs and hands to the body. We sew the hands in a half, like this, and then sew to the body. Fix all the threads and hide them inside. And we'll continue In the next part,